want to lose them, but I can't.
What's up, guys? We're at the Home Alone house.
This is it closed?
Why is it boarded though?
I have no idea.
Nobody has this house bought? Wow.
Look, this is a happy face.
But it doesn't look like the right street though.
There's a happy face.
Come in. No, they're fixing the house. See?
This is the Home Alone house right here.
There's a restroom in the mirror.
They're actually working on it, which is surprising. But this is the Home Alone house here in Winnetka, Illinois. Where the wooden door is, where the wood is by the front door, that's where Macaulay Culkin, Kevin McAllister coming down the stairs on the slide. And then all the way in the back area, right back there, is the garage where they park their cars. So yeah, that's the house right there. Very beautiful. Alright, you guys. I will see you guys later. Bye.